In the
deepest water of the
ocean. Oh.
Live
Live.
the murky
Saan? Sayon. Ay, sayon pala. Iba pala yan.
Hello.
Sayon pala agad.
Mama.
Ah. Hindi, sayon pala agad. Ah.
Si Sar nangawan.
Oh.
Si Buyong.
Waters
Of the ocean.
live.
The murky.
Sabi ko pag may tuldok, hinto ka.
Ocean.
Oh, live. Marking.
The murky.
Oh, may tuldok oh. Oh, his palace
was made of coral and its along pointed windows of amber.
Oh, may tuldok.
Amber.
Oh.
The roof was covered of oyster shell in the
Each one lay.
In each
One lay. A beautiful pearl.
Huwag mo yan laruin sayon kay mama yan. Bala ka.
Ayusin ko yan.
Kay mama
Had been a
windower for many years, but his life was
whitened
brightened by his
daughters.
These 6 mermaid princes were all very lovely.
But
the most beautiful of them all
was
all younger.
Her
complexion was fine as hindi ko pa nabasa.
her godmother.
Heard about the sea, about the flower, which wonderful
Fragrances. Creatures.
Tapos na.
Called.
Bird which
Flow. Through the trees.
when you are 15, you will be
Allowed
their grandmother
to swim.
to swim to
Surface.
in sea or grandmother.
Isa pa. Pam, Boyong.
Ay, inom! Si Buyong na.
Isa pa. Gusto ko marinig.
Far.